Before anything else, we need to set up your browser first to calibrate your mouse clicks. This is just a 5-minute setup. We need to install a Chrome extension to make sure the software will pick up the right window for each account. Go to google.com and type tab modifier. Install tab modifier. Create a rule. Enter the title of the AutoBombCrypto account you want. Enter AutoBombCrypto URL. What this does is change the title of the page to the title you specify. We need this so the software can determine the account window. Make sure to close the other tabs. There should be only one tab open in each browser. When you refresh the browser, you will notice that it changed to the title you specified. Let's navigate to the AutoBombCrypto app without this annoying ads. Click this button to copy the URL and then paste it into the browser. Now you have the app without those ads. Zoom out the browser by holding the Control button and pressing the minus key. We suggest zooming out by 50%. Resize the window to your liking. We suggest to this. Just leave a small gap at the top and sides of the browser. Because the software is clicking via browser coordinates, the other browser window should look the same. With the same browser width and height. You only need to do this on one browser. This will apply to the other accounts in the browser you are going to open. Let's start calibrating. First, enter the window title you want to the calibration to focus on. It should be the exact same title of the window. These presets are the ones that worked on our monitors. It might work for you, but if not, you need to recalibrate the mouse clicks. If it does work, you don't need to calibrate it because everything should work with the presets. Set the Y and X axis. Adjust it until it hits the right target. We suggest making it closer to the middle of the button. Before you click the test flow, make sure you are on the page where it can click the buttons. For example, on the login you should be on the login screen to test if it is clicking the right buttons. Let's do the next window now. It's the same procedure as before, but you don't have to calibrate it again. This is what it looks like on 20 accounts.